Have you ever had a situation when your towel hooks or towel bars were just ripped off from the door? If yes, and you're trying to fix them, follow me and I'll show you how to do it the best way. Okay, so imagine that your towel bar was installed with these two little screws, and initially everything was fine, but at some point they started being lousy, and then you just put a couple of towels or kids were playing and they just ripped it off. Quite common for the doors, especially for the towel bars, because there is nothing inside these doors. It's just very thin, not even plywood. It's just glue and technically paper. There is nothing to hold in. And over time it will definitely get ripped off. Today we will be using these toggle bolts. And let me open and show you. This is a screw or a bolt with this type of spring. When you put it in, it expands and it attaches. And all you need to do is screw the bolt in, put it in the hole, and screw it tight. Now, before we start, I'll explain you some challenges. First, the thickness of this door is pretty common, is 1 inch and 3/8. Now that means that regular common anchors will not work. So imagine these plastic anchors. They could work, but they mainly work for the drywall, for the gypsum. Here you will have hard time screwing in, but this is your best choice if you want to avoid using toggle bolts. But again, let's take a look. This is the smallest. You can find smaller, but this is one of the smallest I could find. And it's right 1 inch and 3/8. So might work, but not the best one. Again, if you want to use them, screw them in and then put your screw within it and they should open. Another anchors that you might consider is this hollow wall anchor, which is like this. But don't bother, they're not gonna work. Look at their thickness. Your door here is about 3/8 of an inch. Here is way more, so not gonna work. These guys, 100% not gonna work. They're too wide. These wall plugs might work. Why? Because you're gonna drill the hole and you want to put a thick layer of construction adhesive inside, so it forms the plug from inside the door. Put it in and then you screw it and then you leave it for a day so it dries completely. What's gonna happen if you put enough adhesive is gonna form the plug behind the wall. Before we start, I already have holes. If you don't have ones, just mark your holes position. In my case, again, I already have them, so I'll just make them wider. They're right here. And the same here. Now, why I'm marking them that wide? Because these specific anchors, they require a wide hole to put it through. For this one, it's 3/8. So I got my 3/8 bit, and that's what they're gonna do. Also, before we start drilling, we want to cut our bolts. The shortest one I could find is 2 inch. Now, in case of this door, it's 1 inch and 3/8. You want to cut it right to that length, because when you have your anchor screwed in, you do not want to have it too short. It's gonna be something like that. You cut it too short. See, like this? That will not be enough for the width to open it up. So you want to make it as long as possible, so when you put it into the hole, you have enough gap to open. We're gonna cut it to exact width of this door, which is again 1 inch and 3/8. Now, before you cut it, don't forget that your plate has some width as well. So in this case is 1/16. So add it to the length of the bolt you're gonna cut. Okay, write that. You do not want to cut it longer than the door width, because it will stick out of the other side of the door. When you cut it, have a glove and make sure do not bend it, but just cut it. So something like this. Okay, and that's your best bet. Take your anchor, test it out. Sometimes it might be harder because you just cut it and the threading is not straight, so you have to make sure that you can screw it in. You can use some pliers, just hold it and screw it until it goes in. Okay, once it goes in, you're good to go. Now in my case, I need 4 of these guys, so I will cut 3 more and then I'll show you next steps. I have 4 of these toggle bolts ready, and now we're gonna feed them into the plates. And I need to make sure that ball goes in and the anchor goes from the other side. And even if you try it and screw it then before, it's not gonna be easy. So you again want to take your pliers and just help screwing. Okay, so that's what you have, and you want to put it back just to make sure you allow the length of the screw to get in between the plate and your door, so it will allow this anchor to grab the door, and then you'll be able to screw it in. Now you want to repeat this for all your plates. Now we have both plates ready. Now is the time to drill holes and put them in. For the holes, you will use what's manufacturer advised on your box. For me it's 3/8 drill bit. Now I don't want to make a mess, so I'll just have a box. Now you might be thinking that these holes are ugly. They are. But you need to have wide holes to put your anchors in. And you might even need to make them a little bit bigger. Take your anchors, hold them this way. Make sure your plate, you put it right where the top is. It actually not be easy to put them in sometimes. So you want to take a hammer and just, okay. Now I really want to show you how these anchors open up, if I can. So you see, this is how they show. Now let's see. You heard that click? That's opened up. And now the second one. Boom. So that's how it looks right now. Additional tip, you might not be able to screw them in immediately because they'll be rotating from inside. So what you want to do, grab a screwdriver, put underneath your plate, and then start screwing. You can use your hands, just pull it. So if you pull it, it will allow the anchor to grab from the behind. When you feel it grab surface, just get your screwdriver and screw it in manually. Now repeat the same for the second plate. Now before you completely attach this plate, grab your level both plates to make sure that the towel bar will be in level. Okay, that's perfect level. Screw it in. When you securely attached both plates, take your towel rack, put it on. It should come with this Allen key or Allen wrench. Just attach it securely at the bottom to both plates and test it with the towels. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, towel number 1, towel number 2, and towel number 3. Let's put a box of towels on top of it. So that's how strong now this towel rack is. Obviously, don't let kids hang on it, but I guarantee you with these toggle bolts, it's the best how you attach this type of racks or these type of hooks. As you can see, this setup passed all the tests and now is ready for use and potentially abuse. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!